You all know by now that renting a vehicle when you visit Iceland is a must. That way you get to drive to all the best places on your own time. Like here, and here. The company I recommend is Blue Car. They're a local business with great customer service and insurance is already included in their prices. Oh, and don't forget to grab my VIP discount by clicking the link in the description below. Picking up your vehicle rental at Blue Car is easier than ever with their new zero policy. That's 0 wait time, 0 contact delivery, 0 deposit, and 0 hidden costs. Blue Car Rental is conveniently located right next to the Keflavik Airport. Just hop on the free shuttle bus or a 5-minute walk across the street. When you arrive, simply scan your QR code from your email confirmation. An agent will check your driver's license and hand over the keys. If you want everything to be even faster and easier, you can check in and pay online before you arrive. This allows you to get your car keys from a lockbox via a code sent to you when you land. No waiting and no one to talk to before hitting the road. Find your car waiting for you outside and get going on your epic Iceland adventure. All right, so when you pick your car up from Blue Car, you are going to get a car seat, of course, if you need one. If you're coming from the US, they are very different from what you're used to. If you're coming from the EU, then you're probably used to this system. This is a seat and base system, so it's just very bulky, very heavy, and it's really important that you install the car seat properly. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you how to install this because Blue Car actually doesn't set this up for you. You're gonna have to set it up yourself. So safety first. Let's put it in here in the car. So once you get the seat in here, you can see down here, there's clips here that have to go in here. So what these red things need to slide in and click in. Here you can see on the side, there's some instructions, so you can follow along those. There's a loop right here in the front of the car seat. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull on that so that it will clip into the seat. And then the last piece is that this leg down here has to click into place. On this particular car seat, you'll see a green line. So if the leg is like this, then it's not stable, it's not secure. But if you have the base clicked out like this with the leg kicked out, now this is stable. Good morning. We got some breakfast. Soren eats 2 scrambled eggs in the morning, half a kiwi, fish oil, and probiotics. And that's a good breakfast, huh, buddy? Do you want to go visit some waterfalls? Today we are tackling the South Coast, the most abbreviated version. We are going to Skogafoss. We are going to go to some waterfalls, right, buddy? Here's what we have packed. It's amazing what you need for a day away for 3 people. It's time for a road trip, buddy. Like I always say when visiting Skogafoss, you have to go to the top of the stairs to see the view from on top of the waterfall. But what some people don't know is that beyond Skogafoss, there are more waterfalls, like 26 more waterfalls. And it's actually the beginning of the hike called Fimberdals, which goes into the highlands, into Thorsmark. We're not doing that, but we just thought we would do a short trek today with the hiking carrier since we have such nice weather. So we're just gonna go check out a few more waterfalls and just see how far we can get. So here's what I was talking about. You just keep going. The waterfall's over there, and the hike to Fimbulkul's is right here. So you can see there's people going here, and eventually you would just end up in Thursmark. But along the way, you're gonna see a bunch of waterfalls. In true Iceland fashion, weather's turning on us. Totally normal. So we're just gonna look at this last waterfall and head back because we have a baby with us. Really, I'm soaked. You guys, I didn't even follow my own advice of always being prepared for rain. And this is what happened. Good thing I have a complete change of clothes in the car for all of us. And because we're gonna need it. Let's go to the car and get warm. Did you go hiking? What a jam!